See, there's a part of me that sees that and is like, oh my gosh, women can do anything. Like, we legitimately bring lives into this world. We, build and make and create humans and feed them with our bodies, and then go to nursing school. Like, we can legitimately do everything. And then the other part of me is like, why does nursing school have to be so traumatic? Why couldn't she just say, Professor, I couldn't finish the test. My water broke. When can I retake it? Because she feels like she can't. And honestly, most professors are middle finger, not great. Really, like, for some reason, it's almost like adding to the trauma legitimizes, makes it more legit, or like excuses the cost, or makes it feel more official. I don't know, but it does not need to be this traumatic.